Now we will be solving problem 56th. Since we have already done the 56, so we will be solving the problem 57th of chapter 12. And what is asked in this problem is a particle is subjected to two simple harmonic motion given by some equation, and there x1 and other equation in terms of x2, where x is in centimeter and t is in second. Find the displacement of the particle at two times they are providing. For a part the time is something, and for b part the time is something. So we have to evaluate the displacement value. So we have to write the first equation, that is x1. So x1 given is 2 sine 100 pi into t, and x2 given is 2 sine 120 pi into t plus of pi by 3. So we have given like this. So we can see here the omega terms are different, so need not to worry, or this is not an issue for us. Only we have to add the displacement values. So for the first part means we have to find the displacement at time is equals to 0.0125 seconds. So let us evaluate this value here. By that time x1 t we can write it like 2 into sine pi into sine 100 pi into t. So if we substitute the value of t as 0.0125, so we have to substitute the value over here also. So 100 pi into this value is like 0.0125. so when we will solve this part, by that time here 4 terms will be there, so this value is there. So this will come out to be 2 into sine and 125 by 100, so it will be 5 upon 4. So there will be 5 pi by 4. So x1 t value at means displacement due to first simple harmonic motion will be exactly equal to this value. So let me evaluate this value with the help of calculator, and after that I will. So what we have evaluated here is, so this value is 2 only, and this value will be minus of root 2 upon 2. So x1 value is, so x1 value is negative of root 2, and in terms of centimeter. Why? Because in the question it is mentioned that x is in terms of centimeter. So we can say it like this also, that displacement due to first SHM, or displacement because of the first SHM will be minus of root 2 centimeter. Similarly we have to evaluate the value for b part, and x2, and again t will be 0.125, and the equation was like 2 into sine. So I will be writing from the book. So it is like 2 into sine it is 120 pi, so it is like 120 pi into t plus of pi by 3. So what is required here is we have to substitute the value of t over here, and we have to evaluate this particular value. So we will be doing like that only. So it will be like 120, so 120 pi into, again it is 0.0125, so it is like 0.0125, and again pen is doing some problem. So So it will be like 1 upon 0 0 0 0. So pen is doing some problem here, and that's why I have to go like that. So now it's okay. So pi upon 3, so it will be like 2 into sine, and this particular value we have to evaluate. So let me evaluate this value with the help of calculator. So I will be entirely solving this particular value and then multiply it with the 2 and finally write the answer. So let me evaluate this value. So I have simplified this particular part as this value, and we have to add this value, and after that after calculating all these value, what I obtained is x2t is equals to this value. So we have now got x1t and also have got x2t. So the displacement of the particle at these two because of these two will be equals to, so xt will be equals to x1t plus of x2t. So displacement due to these two simple harmonic motions will be added out there. So it will be like minus 1 plus of minus root 2, which is exactly equals to minus of 2.41 centimeter. So xt will be because of these two parts only. So the net displacement will be exactly equal to minus of 2.41 centimeter. And in this way you can solve for part B. Nothing is there, you have to just substitute the value of time and evaluate x1t. Similarly you have to substitute the value of time there and evaluate x2t, and after that you have to add these two values. So xt again will be equals to x1t plus of x2t. So in this way you can evaluate part B. So I hope you will do it, and in this way I will consider that we have finished 57th problem. So thank you, with request to share, subscribe, support, like and comment. If I am doing anything wrong or is there any mistake, so let me know, or if required some improvement,